5 knife cuts every home cook should know. Part 5. Similar to how a bell pepper has inner walls or septums, so do pomegranates. If we look at a pomegranate from the top, we'll notice 5 distinct protrusions. These are where the inner walls or septums are going to be located inside the fruit. And these inner walls divide the fruit into chambers. So now the goal is to run a knife in the same direction as these walls, and then we'll have 5 segments that are so much easier to peel and separate the arils or seeds. To make a Hasselback potato, start by making a cut along one side of the potato to create a flat surface. Then we'll place 2 parallel chopsticks on either side of the potato, and these chopsticks act as guides, preventing the knife from cutting all the way through as we slice downward. To cut a head of lettuce romaine quickly for salad, start by cutting it in half lengthwise. Then make 2 cuts along the length of the lettuce, dividing it into thirds while keeping the root intact. This will hold everything together. And then cut the lettuce into smaller pieces. To prep a bok choy, I find the outermost leaf and face it upwards, and then I split it right down the middle. Since bok choy has so many loose layers, it's notorious for trapping bugs and dirt. Here's a grape tomato, and if we look closely, we can spot 2 distinct bulges. One here and the other one over here. If we cut right between the 2 bulges, we'll slice with the septum or inner wall, and this can hide the seeds behind the translucent membrane, making the tomatoes look less vibrant. But if we cut across the bulges, we'll expose 2 beautiful sides filled with seeds. It's a small detail, but we eat with our eyes first, and this way the tomatoes look so much better on the plate.